So recently, my 2016 Ram 1500 had a certain stiff spot in the steering. So you can see right here, this is the intermediate steering shaft. So the universal joint on this is shot. We're going to be replacing this part with a brand new one. Alright, so pretty much what I did was I sprayed some WD-40 rust penetrant on there. There are 2 bolts. Right there and right there. So just spray your rust penetrant. And then now I'm just starting to loosen up these bolts. Just using a 13mm ratchet. Right there. And it is breaking loose. So I'm doing the bottom one first, and then I'll go ahead and remove the top bolt right there. Alright everyone, so I managed to remove the bottom bolt right there. You just have to do the top one next. Before that, what I'm going to do is, this top bolt is not accessible at the moment, so what we have to do is slide the shaft. Slide the shaft out of the power steering gearbox. So you can see this intermediate shaft can actually slide up and back into the truck, right? So we managed to remove that. It's dangling here. That's the gearbox for down there. All right, so we loosen this up. Now what we want to do is turn this around until we find the bolt. So that's the next bolt that we're going to remove. All right, sprayed some penetrant into there, so it should be a bit easier. All right guys, so I managed to remove the old steering U-joint, and so as you can tell, it's not as smooth. It's very rusty. It's just really worn out, you know. Even if you grease it up, it'll only last for a bit, and you can see it's just really stiff. Here's a new one, ordered off Amazon, you can see. It's very smooth, brand new. So we'll see how this works out for us. Here are the old bolts. Now this new one does not come with the new bolts, so you do have to clean these up and reuse them. Just make sure you don't snap them or anything, or else you have to bring 5 brand new ones. Well, I managed to remove and replace the old intermediate steering shaft, and I gotta say, she runs like a beauty now. No more stiffness. I hope this helped.